Good morning, children. I hope you all are fit and fine and enjoying the online teaching at home. And you all are doing your work also as per your teacher's instructions. So, if you all are doing this, it's good. So, children, I told you about the concept of networking. That was the basic concept through which I made you familiar with the term network, the types of networking, and the things required for networking. So I hope that basic concept is very much clear to you because I spent lot of days on that topic to make you able to understand the term networking. So this is the time to start the new technologies in the networking through the chapter Wireless and Cloud Technologies. Children, wireless technologies, see, I told you in that chapter that we have wired technologies and wireless technologies. After wired technologies, I told you the wireless technologies, the wireless networking, through which I told you what are the problems which can be solved with the wireless technologies were coming from the wired networks. So to remove the problems occurred due to cables or the wires, the wireless networking was supported. And the wireless networking was becoming very popular. So today I am going to tell you about the wireless technologies. See, stumbling upon wires of networked computers or any other personal communicating devices are a thing of past. See, it is a thing of past. We are living in the new generation. We left all those technologies which were bounded by the wires. Now, very soon or now, you will learn how amazing working in wireless environment is. In a wireless net environment, you will learn amazing things and you will feel amazing that the working is very smooth with the help of in this wireless environment where you see the appliances lying but not even a single wire is around. The fact is that these devices are invisibly interlinked using the wireless technology and can interact with each other to share data and other resources. So when you use the wireless technology, children, you can see that there is no wire. Without wire, the appliances are connected with each other. So this is the wireless technology you are using. Let us learn about the popular wireless technologies which are becoming popular day by day. And some of the technologies you and your parents are also using. So these are not new for you. Maybe you are using them or you have seen somebody using them. So let's come to the next topic, infrared communication. What is it? Infrared communication. Children, what is infrared communication? It's a wireless mobile technology used for device communication over a short range. Infrared communication has major limitations because it requires line of sight, has a short transmission range, and is unable to penetrate walls. So here we are reading this. See, come on this. In your daily life, many times you use infrared communication. For example, using a remote control, you can switch on, off, and control the operation of a TV or an air conditioner. I hope you use these both devices. which are infrared. These days, laptops and cellular phones are also equipped with infrared DA interface, infrared ports you can say, to transfer data and communicate with each other. So these all the look here, come here, this remote. Here we are talking about the infrared communication, which is, you can say, these communications used over a short range of distance, and they have, see, these infrared technologies or infrared communication, what is actually these are? These are mobile technology, wireless mobile technology especially. And you can see, although in infrared communication the transmission and the reception is very simple and easy, but the communicating devices must lie close to each other. If there is a long distance between the infrared device and with the main device, maybe it cannot work. It depends on the range from which, see how much distance is there in between. It depends on that. Now come on, the one more technology, that is Bluetooth. I hope you all are aware about this Bluetooth technology. See, Bluetooth technology uses short-range radio links to connect and replace the necessity of the cables. You can see that you are using a speaker, but you are just playing the songs from your mobile. There is no wire. The Bluetooth is catching your mobiles, that we can say the waves. It is catching the waves and it is playing the song. So it enables a wireless data communication between Bluetooth enabled devices. So Bluetooth technology uses short-range radio links to connect and replace the necessity of cables. It enables wireless data communication between Bluetooth enabled devices. Come here. See, it is wireless communication with Bluetooth peripherals. See, here Bluetooth is on, so it is catching from here also, and from here also. So, but the distance is not so much. So we have to concentrate on this, that how the Bluetooth is catching through the radio links. Now come on, the devices can be, see what can be the devices. PCs, laptops, mobile telephones and headsets, PDAs, digital cameras, MP3 players, microwave ovens and so on. If the system unit of your computer can be paired with a Bluetooth enabled wireless mouse, keyboard and monitor, so that there is no tangle of wire, so without any wire connection or cable, and part can be placed even at a far distance. So from far distance you can play the music, you can enjoy the music, okay, and you can do any other work as per your convenience. So you can see how beneficial this technology is. Without wire or without the connection of wire, this technology work for us. See, you can see this is Bluetooth adapter. Bluetooth by its nature is not designed for heavy transmission. See, it is for light transmission of data and thus would not be a suitable technology for replacing LAN or WAN. Means we cannot use it for local area networking or for wide area networking. For light transmission of data we can use it. It is not designed for the heavy transmission or for LAN or WAN. So also the distance within which Bluetooth devices work is short. See how much? It is given not more than 10 meters, which may be sufficient for personal devices to interact, but not for LAN. Especially it is told again, not for LAN or for WAN. So for short distance works you can use it. The distance should not be more than 10 meters. Then only the Bluetooth can catch the device. So I hope it is clear to you all. Now some uses of Bluetooth means what can you do with this? Now here I will specify some uses. The following are some examples of examples of functions that Bluetooth provides through which users can. What the users can? Make calls from a wireless headset connected remotely to a cell phone. Second is eliminate cables linking computers to printers, keyboards or mouse. Okay, then nobody use the computers which are linked with cables when we have Bluetooth, so it eliminates that. Now number 3, hook up MP3 players wirelessly to other machines to download music. Very good, it's good for us for downloading. Number 4, set up home networks so that a person can remotely monitor air conditioning, oven or children's internet surfing. Number 5, call home from a remote location. Call home from a remote location to turn appliances on and off. And set the alarm also or monitor activity. See, the activities can be observed or monitored through the Bluetooth if it is connected with the device. So these are 5 major uses of Bluetooth for which we can have the benefit of this device. Now come on, Wi-Fi technology is coming in and popular, very much popular in these days and very much needed also. So Wi-Fi technology. Wi-Fi stands for, see, Wi-Fi, very common term used by the people in these days, stands for wireless fidelity and is a term for a high-speed wireless access technology. You can see here high speed, it is specially mentioned high-speed wireless access technology, means the devices can be accessed with the high speed. The internet is used with the high speed with this technology. It is a method of connecting any Wi-Fi equipped device having built-in Wi-Fi capability or a Wi-Fi adapter card by radio waves to each other to a local area network. See, here we can see that Wi-Fi is supporting the local area network or to the internet without wire. As it is the wireless technology, so here the internet can be accessed without wire with the help of Wi-Fi, and the speed will be, the data transmission speed will be high here. So the only condition is that devices must be within the range. So the range is very important here. If you are out of the range of a Wi-Fi signals, you may not access the internet. So Wi-Fi technology uses long range radio waves and the coverage range is sufficiently long. So here the high speed data is transmitted by it, and without wire or without wire connection the device can be accessed or the internet can be accessed. Fine. And very important thing is the range. The range is also matter with this term Wi-Fi technology. Now come on, what is a hotspot? This hotspot we will read in the next video. So till then you are to read these 3-4 terms, okay, and you are to go through all these terms through the video. I will send you the PDF also from which you will get the chance to read. So thank